folks, how are we all doing? Carl here again. Just a little look at this amp before I do any work on it. I picked it up for only 10 bucks. You can make that out there in the light. It's a Marshall Valvestate 20 watt. It's the model 8020. Little 20 watt Valvestate amp. As you can see, all the little nuts are missing off these. They're moving in and out. The caps are missing off some of the knobs, and some of them are changed to totally different types. It's in a bit of a bad state with a rust on that. No tears on the front grille. Well, it's marked up. Big chunk, like someone tried to put polyfiller in to fill it up. Made a bollocks of it. It's in pretty bad shape. But for 10 bucks, what do you want? I originally bought it just for the speaker alone, which is a Celestia GD10, the 25 watt. I'm going to take the whole thing apart, try and clean up the electrics. I'll see if I can do anything with it. Make sure there's nothing living in it first. Give you a little sound of it, if I can get any sound out of it. See what you think. A few scratchy pots that will have to be cleaned up. It's intermittent, so it's touch and go whether you get sound. Yeah, there's something happening. That's you're up against. Okay, that's the drive channel. Nothing on the clean. There we go, starting to come in when I roll the bass around a little. Roll off the guitar volume a bit, that's still fairly high. Definitely has that Marshall tone, but you're... Hear that? In the treble. Volume is coming and going. Anyway, I'll take it apart, give it a bit of a run over and see what I can make from it. I think she might be just about salvageable. Thanks for looking, cheers.